Hey there, this is Jin, and welcome back to another code tutorial. And today we'll look at the number 18 for sum, and the sums goes on and on. As we say, let's use a generic solution for this, so we'll solve this kind of problem once for like case sum. Alright, so we have a array as well, and need 4 elements inside of it, and all we have to return all the possibility and without duplication, and the target there as well. And yeah, we're gonna using scenario same algorithm apply for 3-sum, 2-sum. Well, we're gonna using some 2 pointers point to the start and end, and shrinking. So first we need to sort the array. So we starting small to large, and we're starting from start and the end, and then sorting the sum, comparing the sum, as well as shrinking the range until we find the same number of the, in this case 4. We're gonna use a k to represent, and decreasing over time until we find the right solution. And so that's one solution. We have to find all. So we're gonna after the first index, we're gonna shrink to another until we reach the end point, right? So, and we don't need during the processing we have to eliminate all the duplicates. So while we're shrinking, we have to compare with the element before. We have to make sure they are not the same. So first we need a global length, and the length is going to be the number array length, and sort the array, of course. Then we return the k-sum. So in this case, the k is 4, and then let's build the k-sum help function. So we return an array of list of integer, and we input the array itself, the target, the k, and the index. Then we have the result of this help function is array of list, and then for array larger than length, we just return the result. So this is kind of dynamic programming concept over there. We're using a map to maintain the results, so we can save some time. Then we have until we find the k equal to 2. So that's the result is going to happen if the sum is going to be the target. Then we will return. Otherwise, we just moving to point either it's not enough, we move to point to right. It's good enough. It's too small. It's too big. We're gonna move the left point to the right. And yeah, and move left bound as well to keep doing the else we're gonna keep doing the for loop. Add previous result to the result, add, and keep doing the skip the duplicate, and return the result. And there you have it. That's the answer. So the concept is pretty clear. The coding is very tedious, redundant, I would say, and it's median. I don't think that median is kind of very difficult because it's complicated structure of the coding. Well, anyway, it's gonna be a follow-up in the interview. So If you like this video, please subscribe, give a like, comment, and I will see you in the next one.